I go, let's see, doorbell.
Oh boy, I wonder who's at the door. That's strange. Not even packages out here. Oh well, maybe I just see things.
Ha 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 ha. CJ went back in. I go be doorbell.
Alright, something new is here.
Ha 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 ha. Now CJ's get very angry. Let's bring doorbell.
Gotcha! I knew it was you. That's it. I'm taking you down.
You had to catch me first.
Oh no, you don't.
Ha 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 ha. I got one spot you can't catch me.
Gotcha! Gotcha! How dare you ring my doorbell? That's it. I'm telling your mother. Hello? Is this Jiggity's mom? Yeah, I call you because Jiggity just ring my doorbell. Please pick them up. Thank you. Goodbye.
See, Jiggity, how dare we see the doorbell? That's it. You are so much trouble. When we get home, you going straight back. Let's go home right now. Wah wah wah. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah.
That'll show him, and now I can spend some time myself.
Jiggity, how dare you bring CD doorbell? That's it. You're a grounded wife. Go to your work right now. Hey, stop crying like baby. Go to bed. Do 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 do.